there's a lot of knowledge to be gained at the State of Reform Conference. It's a huge share of knowledge with a lot of professionals that have a lot to share and are willing to share. And I think a lot of times in smaller sectors that are working in our healthcare, we don't think like, oh, they want to listen to us. But now more than ever, they want to listen to us.
For me, it starts with trust. I think that's why it's key to have events like this, to build that, meet new people, but then carry their work forward so we can have those partnerships in the future.
Still learn kind of about the current environment and current policies in your state. That was just really helpful for me. I kind of worked more with Medicare than Medicaid in the past, so it was helpful for me to learn kind of about just the state of healthcare in Michigan.
This is about our neighbors, our family, and our friends. These are folks that are nearby us on a day-to-day basis, and we have to remember that. Everyone is shaped by their experiences, and for those who receive some public support, they too are working through this very seismic shift.
I think it's a good opportunity for folks to have the ability to be able to kind of rub shoulders and talk to some of the decision makers in our state.
Making connections, networking to build relationships so that we can meet our members where they are at in the community, allow our members to get the services again that they need in that community.
Well, my executive director asked me to come and listen and get a better understanding what is the legislature thinking about in terms of long-term care. It's one of the more expensive categories in terms of the budget, but nonetheless, it also has a great impact if coordinated properly.
Collaboration is the name of the game. We often have commonality on the identification of the problem. Where the differences happen is how do we approach solving the problem. And so we can learn from each other, we can share, exchange, it catalyzes partnerships. I've seen some things come out of conferences like this.
A lot of different perspectives in the room, questions I haven't been asked before. And I've been talking about DSNP on a statewide basis since 2018. Where we can help identify what a potential issue is, and again, not in a punitive way, but to help then identify that and then wrap the people around that.
Regardless of what your views are, it is incumbent upon you to engage in the political process, to engage with your voice in what you believe.
The panel's amazing. I was able to connect to a few people that I wanted to when I checked out the detailed agenda online, and they were all willing to talk to me, and it was well worth the trip.